Okay, the other thing I wanted to show to you guys is a way to possibly keep your all of your assignments organized, because I know you're going to be getting a lot of assignments from a lot of different teachers and classes now. So my first suggestion to you would be to pull out your agenda that you were using in school, pull it out of your backpack that's stuffed in the back of your closet, get that out and put those assignments in each for at the beginning of each week. So on Monday, when your teachers post their assignments, just fill your agenda up. Then that way you know everything that needs to be done for the week. Or if you don't have your agenda or you don't like that format, you can always look at this. It's something like this. So this would be a way where you could put your classes in, put what's due each day or what you want to work on each day, and fill that out and make a plan for yourself. Planning ahead is going to be key and kind of getting into a routine, because right now, let's face it, we are all out of routines, even me. So this one is a different one, a different style, but it would work the same way. You could put your what you want to accomplish on Monday, what you want to accomplish on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And then this one, if you really like to plan and you want to do hourly, like, hey, I'm going to work on Monday from 10 to 12, and here's what I'm going to work on during those hours, so that you can really plan and then leave some free time in the afternoon or however you want to do it. This one is also an option. So I'm going to put these on my website so that you have access to those as well. But if you have any questions or you struggle with keeping things organized, just make sure you ask me. Now, one more thing, and let me see if I can find it here. I wanted to show you this. There we go. Here we go. Okay. So I wanted to show you your next assignment. So what I was thinking is that, because at this point all of your work is very hands-on that was left behind at school. Your civilization unit is obviously, we can't do that at home, that won't work. So I wanted to take some of the elements of the civilization unit and make it something that we could do at home. So in thinking about that, I wanted to pull the creativity out of it, kind of the openness and the flexibility, lots of choice. So what I decided to do for you guys for the time that we're learning at home is to have you guys create a Google site that spreads happiness. Because let's face it, the world needs happiness right now, and we need something fun and enjoyable. So your end goal, and I know it sounds very vague, you guys know me, I don't give you a whole lot of specifics because I want your creativity to go crazy. But what I want you to do is create a Google site that somehow spreads happiness. So whatever happy is to you right now, that's what I want this to look like. It could be a website where you are posting all kinds of writings that you do. If you enjoy writing, you could post artwork, you could do music, you could do dance, you could do a website where it's a joke website, but there are some requirements for the Google site. So you can see this rubric is going to kind of guide you through your requirements. Now, I will say at this point, nothing is graded at this point. So this rubric is just a general way for me to give you feedback, but not necessarily anything that's going to go in a grade book, at least at this time. So you can see, I want you on the assignment, I want you to have at least 6 separate Google pages. So if you're going in and adding a new page, I want you to do that. And I will show you guys how to do this. So don't panic if you don't know how to do a Google site at this point. I want you to include video, embed video or images or sound clips. I want you to have a site that's well stated and clear with your purpose and theme, why you're doing it, what you're doing. Think about your colors and visually how that's going to look, and any navigation, if you're going to have us go to other pages or look at other links, what's that going to look like? And of course, as always, spelling and grammar matter. And then also, are you making it attractive, easy to locate, including all of your graphics and other elements in an organized way? So that's part of what we're going to be doing, but I want you guys to have fun with this. It might take you some research to do some of this. It's going to take a lot of creativity. I want to see what you come up with. And then eventually we're going to share these websites to spread happiness. So I want you guys to start thinking about that. Going back to our calendar, I want you guys to just kind of start slow this week. Don't panic. I know there's a lot to do. You're going to have a lot in your other classes too. Start slow. You're already well on your way because you watched this video. And then you are just going to start thinking about what it is that you might want to do for your topic. So that's what I have for you guys. I miss you guys. I wish we were all together in class. But hopefully you guys will bear with me as I figure out all this screencast stuff, and I will bear with you as you figure out all of your schedules and how everything's going to work, and we will be together again. So, guys, I miss you. Take care. See you. Bye.